Hi, welcome to JO NEGOSYO channel. In this video, I will give some secrets on what makes one a fantastic travel blogger and vlogger. If you are interested, please don't forget to give this video a like and click subscribe for more blogging and vlogging tutorial videos. Thank you. Raw and genuine authenticity. Create content that you love and not what you think people will love. Yes, you should always follow your passion. Otherwise, you won't enjoy what you're doing. But, the key is to follow your passion, while also providing something of value to your readers. In-depth knowledge. What are people searching for? It's time to do some research. What questions related to travel are being asked in online forums? If you already have readers and audiences, what are they asking in comments and emails? Give people what they're